In previous lesson, we learned the first letter of alphabet, that is A. A. This is A. And the second letter of Hindi alphabet is A. A. This is A. 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 First letter of Hindi alphabet is A, and second letter of Hindi alphabet is A. How A sounds? A. A is pronounced as A in English words father, harm, car. Father, harm, car. A. 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 Now we will see some words using the letter A. A. A is also used only at the beginning of a word. It is not used in the middle or at the end of a Hindi word. Of course, we use this letter in some words in the middle or at the end, but they are not the words of Hindi origin. They are borrowed from Urdu and other languages. But Hindi words have A only at the beginning of a word. So now we will see some words where A is used. Ana. Ana. Ana means to come. Ana. Ana means to come. Ana. Ana means to come. Aaj. Aaj means today. Aaj means today. Aaj means today. Aag. Aag. Aag means fire. Aag. Aag. Agra. Agra. Agra is the name of Indian city famous for Taj Mahal. Agra. Agra. Agra is the name of a city which is famous for Taj Mahal. Now we will see this is the printed form of A. This is printed form of A, and this is handwritten form of A. 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 How we will write A? Now it is easy for you to write the letter A because you have already learned how to write A. A. So to write A, the first step is we write this one, and then we put another line, a straight line here, and then a line over it. Now this is A. And now we put a line. We put a line here. A. First to second, third, and fourth. A. This is A. A. A.